Yes.
Name a color that starts with letter M.
Letter M. M. I don't know. Mandarin.
What?
Maroon.
Okay.
And blue.
Blue?
Mink.
Mink? Oh.
Brown.
Brown. What else?
Purple.
What else?
Black.
Black. What else?
Brown.
Are you sure that starts with letter M?
White.
White? What else?
Mink.
Oh, kadamo ba? Sino nagtotsi mo na?
Ako.
Ikaw lang? Oh, very good girl. Katani, galing kay. Maroon is the only color nga right na mention mo. Other than that is nothing. Where?
May maroon, may mink, may blue, may black, may white, may brown, may marple.
Marple. Damo galing start with letter M. Sige na, lakat na. Ano na to? Training na to. Bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye.